Welcome back. Today you will learn to use AI as your personal language teacher. Ask anything you want to know. The best thing about AI? You can ask endless questions. Don't be afraid of stupid questions. The AI never judges. Open a new conversation and first tell the AI what language you are learning. Then you can get started. Part 1. Basic questions. This is how you ask the AI for explanations.
Explain to me.
Gladly. What do you want to know?
What does that mean? How do you say that? Can you explain that to me? I don't understand. Why is that?
Your turn. Please explain this to me.
Part 2. Asking about grammar. The AI explains every grammar rule in an understandable way.
Explain the grammar to me.
Clear. Which grammar point do you want to understand?
What is the rule? How does the past work? How does the future work? Explain the conjugation to me. How do you conjugate this verb? What are the cases? When do you use the accusative case?
Your turn. Explain the grammar rule to me with examples.
Part 3. Asking for synonyms. Learn different words with similar meanings.
Is there another word for?
Yes, here are some alternatives.
What are synonyms for? How can I say this otherwise? Give me alternatives. What is the difference between and?
Good question. The difference is subtle but important.
Which word is more formal? Which word is more colloquial?
Your turn. Explain the difference between these words.
Part 4. Ask for exceptions. Every language has exceptions. The AI knows them all.
Are there exceptions?
Yes, there are a few important exceptions that you should be aware of.
Why is this an exception? What are irregular verbs? Show me the main exceptions. Why doesn't this follow the rule? Do I just have to learn this by heart?
Your turn. Which exceptions are most important?
Part 5. Ask for examples. Examples help with understanding.
Give me an example.
Here is a simple example.
Give me more examples. Show me that in one sentence. How do you use this in practice? Give me 5 example sentences. Show me real examples from everyday life.
Your turn. Explain with lots of examples.
Part 6. Ask about culture and special features. Language is more than grammar.
Is that polite?
That depends on the situation. Let me explain.
When do you use you, and when do you use you? What do native speakers really say? Is that colloquial? Does that sound natural? What is the idiom for this? Are there regional differences?
Your turn. How would a native speaker say that?
Part 7. comprehension questions. If you didn't understand something,
I did not understand that.
No problem, I'll explain it differently.
Can you explain this more simply? This is too complicated. Explain as if for a child. Can you repeat that? Puoi ripeterlo? Again, please. Slower.
Your turn. Explain this in a different way.
Part 8. Complete prompts. Copy these sentences directly into ChatGPT or Claude.
What is the difference between X and Y? Give me examples. Explain the past tense to me with simple examples. What exceptions do I need to know about this verb? Give me synonyms for good and explain when I use each. How would a native speaker say this more naturally?
Your turn. Just explain this to me. I'm a beginner.
Part 9. A real conversation. This is what a learning conversation with AI looks like. Listen carefully.
Hello, great that you're learning. How can I help you today?
I don't understand the past. Is that difficult?
No worries, the past is simpler than you think. Let me explain.
Okay, but I always make mistakes.
Mistakes are good, they help you learn. Just start, I'll correct you gently.
Can you give me a simple example?
Naturally, I eat becomes I ate. Do you see the pattern?
I think so. But why GE minus?
Good question. The GE shows the past. Most verbs get it.
Are there exceptions?
Yes, verbs with be, vir, do not have GE. For example, understand is understood.
This is too much. Can you explain this more simply?
Clear. Forget the exceptions for now. Just learn GE plus verb plus T. That's enough for now.
Okay, I understand that. Give me more examples, please.
Super. I play becomes I played. I'm learning becomes I've learned. You try one.
I work.
Perfect. Precisely. See, you can do it.
Thanks. That helped a lot.
You're welcome. Ask me anytime if you want to learn more.
Do you see? The learner was unsure, but the AI patiently explained. You can talk to the AI just like that. Quick recap. Say it out loud before you hear the answer.
Your turn. Explain to me. Your turn. What does that mean? Your turn. What's the difference? Your turn. Are there exceptions? Your turn. Give me an example. Your turn. Explain this more simply. Your turn. How would a native speaker say that?
Try it now. Open ChatGPT and ask about something you don't understand. Tip: the more specific your question, the better the answer. Instead of explain grammar, say explain the past. Excellent. You can now use the AI as a teacher. In the next lesson, we will practice funny everyday conversations. See you soon.